he's the first person in India, third person in the whole world to do that. He rode his bike in minus 45 degrees.
I was very intensively preparing around half a year. But
The machine doesn't discriminate between what age you are or what gender you are.
Chho, welcome back to my channel Gujju Rider. This is Utkarsh here. Today's plan is to go to the rider meetup that is going to happen in Aaojo Club, Nungambakam. The rider meetup is with the riders, those who are participating in the Spice Odyssey that is organized by the big biking Commune and the Royal Brothers. I'm starting my vlog from here because I just came out of the office and these cameras are not allowed in the office. So that's my office. If you can see there, I work in HCL and now we are going to the Aaojo Club. So these are pretty famous riders. So we'll talk about the riders, those who are participating in the Spice Odyssey. So I think there are 4 or 5 riders. Few of the riders are international riders and one of them is, his Insta handle is the Coldest ride. His record is that he rode his bike in minus 45 degrees. Actually minus 50 degrees. Some say it's Russia. So we'll find about it today. So a lot of riders are assembling for the meetup. CMC Club, Cavalier Motorcycle Club. I have friends there, so they invited me for it. So let's see how this meetup goes, and we'll meet a lot of people, bike enthusiasts, riders, and people from big biking Commune and Royal Brothers will also be there to support the Spice Odyssey riders. And those riders are also experienced riders, so it'll be fun to chat with them. First I have to face the Chennai traffic, and that place is around 10 to 11 kilometers from my office. So traveling this far and at peak hours, it's 6:15 in the evening, it's hectic. And on top of that, this Himalayan heats up like crazy in traffic. The traffic sense in Chennai is horrible. So I'm very excited to meet the riders, and they'll share their experiences with all of us and we'll share our experiences. So it'll be a nice ridery chat.
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रे हलकट हंस
And you can follow me on Instagram as well.
I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. But you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriends.
So I have reached the club. Here is the board. I'll show you. Wow, riders. Spice Ride Odyssey. From Goa to Chennai. Oh, it ends here. Nice. So this is nice.
We're having some bikers coming from different destinations. It'll be nice to have a ride for them. We curated this ride. Of course, Deepak has been a big support. So we planned it from Goa to Chennai, passing through all the spice routes. So South India is full of plantations. So that's why it's called the Spice Route Odyssey. So we put in a nice combination of international experiences, local rides, and we curated this entire lot. Now I leave it up to them to come and share a few things, share their experience about this ride.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say.
The first day I asked Maggie, what speed are you comfortable with? She said 80. I was like, darling, we'll have to do 100 at least. She's like, 100? Okay, I tried. And then after a day, I start seeing her. She's like zooming at 120. And that is something that I didn't expect from her. So this goes to her.
Don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
I think I can start my presentation now. Hi everyone, I'm Veena Shetty from Bangalore. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Run of Kutch, Kurg Northeast, Bhutan, Sachpa, Spiti. I basically covered all India. I'm very proud of that.
So my name is Maggie. So I grew up in the 80s and the 90s, and in the 80s and the 90s, women were not allowed to ride motorcycles.
motorcycles in the Middle East. So when I moved to India, the biggest agenda I had was to learn to ride motorcycles. That's where I started riding from. But the thing is that at this point I was 45 years old. And you know, when you're 45, you're not like a child. If you see how most women learn, you know, it's usually from their brother's motorcycle or stealing their father's motorcycle and learning how to ride. I was 45, I did not have a motorcycle, so it's an unusual story back then. Yeah, so once I learned to ride motorcycles, I realized maybe there's a possibility here. I was training women to ride motorcycles because there are three basic problems women face when it comes to motorcycling. You know, one is access to motorcycles because nobody wants to give a chick a motorcycle. Second is nobody wants to train you. Nobody's really interested in training you how to ride motorcycles. And these are the most important is like, where are you going to learn? Training women to ride motorcycles was the most fulfilling role I've ever played.
This is home.
7 miles on the 7th continent, because those 7 miles, it may not sound so big. 7 miles is about 10-11 kilometers, but the effort that went on to having a dream to ride in the 7th continent after having done 6 continents, and the effort that was there, you know, like running behind, chasing people for almost 50 odd days, 45-50 days in Ushuaia, and nobody was ready to take my motorcycle. I'm very clear. I go where my motorcycle goes. Motorcycle no goes, I no goes. It's as simple as that.
So yeah, I'm really taken with the Brotherhood of Motorcyclists in India. Yeah, it's been really good.
Anyway, some 4, probably 5 months ago, we
I'm with Declan. What's your last name?
Declan McAvoy.
Declan McAvoy, and he's from west coast of Ireland. So, how was the experience in India?
Very, very different from many of the countries that I've been in. So one thing really that stands out in India is how busy the traffic is.
I have Mandy here. So, how was your Spice Ride?
It was fantastic, man. I'm so glad I got an opportunity to be on it.
And I heard her experiences. It was so inspiring. And being a lady rider, she started a motorcycle academy for both men and women, and she inspires women to ride.
The machine doesn't discriminate between what age you are or what gender you are.
I have Carol is here with me, and he's the person to ride in minus 50 degrees Celsius. So please, can you tell us, like in a few words, a brief explanation, like how was your experience in minus 50 degrees Celsius, and how did you manage to complete that task?
You know, to be here in India with plus 48 outside of the street, and to stand here on this air conditioner is so bloody cold. Yes, but to ride in minus 50, okay, it's something very similar as you would go to the cold shower at home, switch it on, then what it happens. But you need to relax. When you manage to relax in the cold water, anything is possible about it.
And about all the riding gears, and how much time will you prepare for that?
It was very intensively preparing around half a year. 6 months? Yeah. But since the beginning, 1.5 years. So with 6 months before going to start jumps, it was very intense. And I had 7 layers of different clothes. And my shoes were for the climb Everest.
So, what was the start point and the end point for your ride? I didn't get the name or how you pronounce it.
Yakutsk is in Russia, in Siberia, and Oymyakon is the coldest place. Between it's 1,000 kilometers of nothing.
So 200 kilometers per day you rode?
Yes, and it took around 5 hours. Just because of the daytime, it's a short flight. Yeah, thank you. Stay tuned.
Hello, so I have Veena Shetty here. You
Hello.
can say hi and
Hi.
ma'am. I have Mr. Deepak Kamath with me here, and he's the first person in India to go to Antarctica and ride his bike for 7 kilometers. And India is the first
7 miles.
7 miles in Antarctica. That's commendable. First person from India, and he's the third person in the whole world to do that. So just tell some brief words about your experience.
Well, it's phenomenal. For me, it's been a history in the making. It's a dream that I had for a very long time after I rode around the world back in 1994, covering all the 6 continents. So the elusive 7th continent happened in the beginning of this year, and thanks to Bajaj Dominar for helping me. For me, it's been an achievement of a lifetime.
It's India's achievement actually.
Absolutely. See, I fly my tricolor. All the places where I go are which are very unique. The most remote place in Canada. There again, we became the first Indians on Indian-made motorcycles. So there again, the flag flew. Then the Salmon Glacier. Then by the skyline of New York. So all these places where Indians riding the Indian motorcycle, and each border crossings of 15 countries, the Indian flag has flown. So it gives me tremendous pleasure. Yeah, it's been good, and it's phenomenal that I've been able to achieve so many things.
It's such a proud moment that he is riding in all such countries and remote areas. So hats off to him.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
So we've wrapped up with the event. Now it's time to go back home. So it was a pretty long meetup. International riders, but they shared their experiences with us, which was so inspiring. I'll give everyone's Insta accounts in the description. Carolus is the man who rode in minus 50 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine? Minus 50 degrees. यहाँ तो सरचू में फट जाती है भाई. So yeah, the story was so inspiring, man. Like, how do people do it? This motivates me to go on more rides and do more adventure stuff and not repeat the locations. Like, try exploring more places. People say that they've been to Ladakh 15 times. Why go to 15 times? So in one word, if I say, like, how would you describe this meetup? I would say inspiration. Inspiration from these riders. So it feels very proud that as an Indian, I'm meeting the first Indian who rode a bike on Antarctica. He was riding a Bajaj Dominar. I'm just saying the word inspiring too many times. But yeah, it's the truth. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, go hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please like. And if you haven't seen my off-road training program vlog, go and see it. It was an amazing experience for me. More vlogs will be coming up soon, so stay tuned. अब तो भाई राइड ही राइड है. इतना इंस्पिरेशन मिला है तो राइड सेफ, राइड हार्ड, राइड दबा के. And don't forget to gear up because safety first. Bye bye. Take care.